shock is lack of oxygen to the body's tissues. It can happen after accident or illness. What we need to try and do is we need to calm the dog down. We need to make sure that we get as much blood to the brain and the vital organs as possible. So in an ideal world, we'd lay them down in a calm manner. We've got Deco here laying onto the sofa. We're laying her onto her right side. And the reason for that is just in case there was any problem, we can also monitor her heartbeat much easier, because we can place our hand on the top here and feel the heartbeat much easier through on the left-hand side than on the right-hand side. Also in the laying down position, she's going to be breathing is going to be calmer, her blood flow is going to be better. Obviously, if the dog's in shock, we need to make sure we've got medical help on the way from the vet, or we start thinking about how we're going to transport her to the vet and also phone the vet. So with her in this position, lay her down and calm her down. What often happens when a dog goes into shock, they'll become very cold, so we need to keep them warm. To do this, we just take a blanket, a towel, or a piece of bedding, just lay it over the dog. Just tuck it all in. If you can, if possible, she's laying on a sofa here, but if possible, if you're laying on the floor, get something underneath her. So we can keep her as warm as possible. Be careful if you're covering over the face too much, because sometimes dogs won't really like that. They get a bit upset. With her, she doesn't seem to worry, so we can keep her nice and warm. Important thing, don't start putting her on so tight it restricts breathing. Again, lay with her, keep her calm, talk to her, soothe her the best you can. Another way you can keep a dog warm will be the use of a foil blanket. Now with the foil blankets, this is something that could be in the first aid kit for dogs. They're very good at keeping them warm. The disadvantage is they make a rustling noise. So this can sometimes scare some nervous dogs. All you do with this is just unwrap it and you lay it over her and again tuck it nicely in. You can also use the foil blanket in addition to the blanket. So you put the foil blanket on and then use the normal blanket just to hold it in place and also to keep her nice and warm. This is the sort of thing you can take out and about with you. They're very low price and they're useful for any time you want to keep a pet warm or even yourself warm.